The judge overseeing President-elect Trump's New York criminal case is now delaying a decision on whether or not Trump's hush money conviction can withstand the Supreme Court's presidential immunity ruling after he won the presidential election. Senior correspondent Laura Ingle live for us in New York, keeping track of all of the developments. Laura, we were supposed to have a decision on this today. We do not. So what comes next?
Hey, Nichole, that's right. We were waiting, of course, even when we go back to last week, talking about the election and saying, OK, what's going to happen next? Today was a big day on the calendar. November 12th was circled. And here we are. Donald Trump, as you remember, was convicted here in this courthouse here behind me, the criminal courthouse in Manhattan, on 34 counts of falsifying business records. That happened back in May. Today, the New York State Supreme Court Justice McShane was supposed to decide whether or not that conviction would be upheld. But instead, the hearing has been delayed, with both sides citing unprecedented circumstances. And we can understand that, right? Trump's legal team is basing their argument for throwing out the conviction on the Supreme Court's ruling from back in July that the president of the United States has, quote, at least presumptive immunity for all of his official acts. Now, Trump is accused of covering up hush money payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels while campaigning for president in 2016. Trump's legal team is not arguing that these payments, which occurred while the president-elect was a candidate, fall under those official acts. Instead, they believe that the evidence used by the prosecutors in the case, led by Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg, would be inadmissible under the Supreme Court's ruling. And among this evidence includes testimony from then White House Communications Director Hope Hicks, as well as the 2018 financial disclosure report. Now, Trump's defense is also arguing that the president's posts on X, then known as Twitter, are inadmissible because Trump used the site as a, quote, official communications channel. Of course, this all gets complicated by the recent election. No president-elect has ever been awaiting sentencing before, and Judge McShane has asked the prosecution to file their view of appropriate steps going forward no later than November 19th. So we've got another date on the calendar this month. That is 1 week from today. The defense, meanwhile, has asked that the case be dismissed altogether. And should Judge McShane rule that the conviction stands, what happens next? Not entirely clear. Nichole, supposedly sentencing was going to be on November 26th. So November, a very big month for Donald Trump, and now we wait to see what happens next. But a big day here at the courthouse that was supposed to be, that isn't, but now is still in play with what's ahead.
Yes,
Nichole?
I like that. Supposed to be, but isn't. All right, Laura Ingle, thank you for that. All right. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.